We got a new bed. Mattress Insider bed. I'm in a big box. I left the box outside. Now we gotta take our other bed apart. So we got this thing to try and make this thing feel better, but it didn't work. It doesn't really give any support. It's just it flattens out. Pretty worthless. Maybe we'll roll it up, cut it in half, give it to the kids.
Yes.
It kind of fits in there. Maybe. I think I can still sit in there. Now we're gonna unroll that somehow.
Oh, that's big.
Don't cut the bed.
What? What are you laughing about?
The way they package this thing. It's crazy. It's starting to expand. Trying to get away from me. It's getting big. Oh no. We need the rounded edge down here.
Well, it must be soft. Why didn't they square it?
Because the bed's not square.
This is nice.
Air out. Kind of smelly.
It doesn't smell to me. Why do you think it's smelly?
Do you not smell it?
I do not smell
I
it.
smell it.
There's all the stuff we're gonna put on it.
Yeah. You forgot a piece.
Yeah, you forgot a piece, boys. Throw it out.
When you're videoing, you've got to pay attention to where you're pointing the camera.
Come on, Dad.